quick roundup on how is the second phase of campaigning, second phase of voting, beg your pardon, going at this point. We had roughly about 10% votes casted till about an hour ago.
No, it has gone up to 20%. Now, my cameraman Habib will show you. Right now we are in this Fraser Road, which is in the heart of the city, part of Bankipur Assembly Constituency. And you can see there is no voter here, although of course there is a lot of security guards. But yes, voters are trickling in, but not too much of enthusiasm as of now in the state capital Patna. But we are getting reports from the countryside, in the rural areas. Yes, people are turning up in large numbers, especially the women numbers in this round has really improved. Sonal.
All right. Manish, just want to quickly talk about the speeches which have been made for phase 3 now. The all-important phase 2 is now voting. But for phase 3, Prime Minister just said a little while ago in his speech that he believes that increased amount of voting means people want to retain them in power. And now you hear Tejaswi Yadav almost saying that, well, ab khatam hue caste ke din. He almost said that. He said the days of caste politics are over. Bahut ho gaya. Ab development ki baat hogi. He's saying Yuva PD will take it forward. How is that catching up with the people of Bihar?
I think, on 10th of November, we will come to know that how much, this appeal of Tejaswi got translated into votes, and how much this crowd which used to come in such a large numbers had, really, translated into vote. But one thing is clear, in this election, it was not ruling NDA, which is in power since for the last 15 years, was setting the agenda, but it was Tejaswi Yadav who set the agenda on the, on the issue of employment, giving 10 lakh jobs. And now that is why Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who gave a package, he doesn't talk about his own package, which he announced 5 years ago, but he talks about the 15 years of Lalu Rabri Raj. So somewhere he knows that if this employment issue, is able to, attract the youth cutting across caste lines, then NDA is doomed. So that is why they have to go back to the social alliances, the alliances which NDA got or NDA has able to build over the last 15 years. So somewhere by invoking this Jungle Raj, they are hoping that they will be able to galvanize their voters, and that is how they are planning to checkmate Tejaswi Yadav. But somewhere Tejaswi Yadav at the start of the campaigning, he was nowhere, but the way he turned around things has really set an alarm bell among NDA. But now NDA is hopeful that after the campaigning today, Prime Minister is going to complete his 12 election meetings, and now NDA leaders are breathing, they are heaving a sigh of relief that thanks to his rallies, they are back in action. Sonal.